Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Twins in the Kitchen. I'm Teresa.
And I'm Barbara.
We're identical twin sisters, and we're here to show you that you don't have to go to culinary school in order to cook meals that are flavorful, delicious, and that your whole family will love.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and thumbs up.
Yes, thumbs up.
Today we're going to be making for you a delicious creamy chicken Florentine with garlic and mushrooms.
This dish is filled with so much flavor, creaminess, and one of the unusual ingredients is tarragon as opposed to oregano or thyme. And it really imparts such a refreshing flavor. I don't want to say it's kind of like licorice, but it has a very faint licorice kind of a overtone that's absolutely unexpected and delicious.
I don't really get licorice, but
Well, it's not the first time we don't agree on
That's for
anything.
sure.
And you may not either. It could just be my taste buds, but hey.
And the other thing that makes this a really flavorful dish is the mushrooms.
Oh,
it's
God,
a blend of gourmet mushrooms, shiitake, what was the other? Oh, baby bella.
Baby bella
And oyster mushrooms.
oysters,
and
yes.
it really does impart a wonderful flavor. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start out with some boneless chicken thighs. They're also skinless. We will season these and then we will saute them in the skillet.
Okay, the rest of the ingredients that we'll be using today are half and half, chicken broth, flour. Today we're actually using gluten-free flour, Bob's 1-to-1 gluten-free flour, some minced garlic, salt, pepper, tarragon, some garlic powder, butter, more salt, more garlic powder, and we've got 2 cheeses, Pecorino Romano, and we have Parmigiano Reggiano. An authentic Parmigiano Reggiano, the rind of it is dotted with pinholes with the name in it, so that you know that it's authentic. Also, we have these, go ahead,
A
Barbie.
beautiful blend of gourmet mushrooms. There's baby bella, shiitake, and oyster mushrooms, and this gives it a lot of great flavor. And we have about, I think we're using about 20 ounces of spinach.
today. 20 ounces
You
of
can use
spinach.
anywhere a minimum of 10 ounces up to 20 ounces, depends on how much spinach you like.
And this really does make a wonderful meal. So we're going to get started cooking now. We'll start by seasoning the chicken on both sides with salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder.
Okay, here we are. We have our finished chicken dish. Look at that. Chicken Florentine with garlic and mushrooms.
Oh, it is so good.
And we boiled a little bit of linguine. Linguine.
Linguine.
We're going to have some linguine. And I think what we'll do, let's put this off to the side, Barbara. Okay, so we have a little bit of linguine with our creamy chicken and garlic and mushroom and spinach on top. We're going to just sprinkle a little bit of cheese, grated cheese. I never have enough cheese.
Never enough cheese.
It's like my thing. My family knows that, go ahead, have a little
pasta with your
pasta
cheese.
with your cheese. That's me. Okay, so Barbara, let's give this a try.
Okay, but let's get a piece of chicken here.
Oh, of course. The star of the show.
Star of the show.
All right, you want to cut that in there
Yeah,
first?
let me just cut a piece.
It's a little too big.
I'll cut a small piece.
Yeah, cut a small piece.
And then we can just
We
put
can
it over
both-
here.
Yeah.
And
All right, you can give me some from here. All right, wait a minute. I think what I'm going to do is take
a little bit
a
of pasta.
forkful of chicken with a little bit of pot, if I can. I don't know.
I'll just twirl a little
Yeah,
pasta.
let's twirl a little bit. Twirling's good. Okay. Oh, this looks so good. This is so good. We know it's so good. We make this a lot.
Well,
Our
let me
family loves it. Okay, here we go. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay. Mm-mm-mm.
Delicious.
It's delicious. It is so creamy. I don't know if you can see this, how creamy it is. But it is so creamy. And the mushrooms give it such an earthy flavor. You do not taste licorice at all
No.
from the tarragon. It is
Not at
just
all.
delicious.
Well, I think we have another fine meal here, Teresa.
Yes, we do, Barbara. And if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, please hit the subscribe button so you can watch more of our videos. And until
Until next time,
bon
bon appetito.
Cheers.